Buenos dias. All right, we're going to talk about our likes and our dislikes and our favorites. We can start a conversation nice and friendly with an hola. And then somebody asks, what do you like? ¿Qué te gusta? And you are going to answer, me gusta, or it might be a me gustan. So I'm going to put over here an example. You'd say, me gusta la banana. I like the banana. Or if you like something that there's more than one of, you'd say me gustan bananas. Okay, so one versus more than one. If you like an activity, like you like to talk, me gusta hablar, it'll be singular. So you'll use the gustan if there's what you like is plural. Okay, what do you not like? So instead of que te gusta, we'll say que no te gusta. Que no te gusta. And you will answer no me gusta, or again, if it's plural, no me gustan. What do you love? It's very similar. Instead of que te gusta, we'll say que te encanta. It's literally what enchants you. Like the movie Encanto means enchantment. So what enchants you? What do you totally love? Me encanta, or again, if it's something that's plural, you are in love with bananas. Me encantan las bananas. Okay? You'll put the thing that you love. Okay, last one. What is your favorite? ¿Cuál es tu? Now here you're going to put the category. So for instance, color. ¿Cuál es tu color? And then favorito, or it could be favorita, depending on if this category thing is it masculine or feminine. So we'll do some examples down below. So you're going to answer me thing. Favorito, or a. So thing, let's put category. My category favorito, mi color favorito es, and then you'll put the thing that's your favorite. So, for instance, ¿cuál es tu color favorito? Mi color favorito es azul. And you'll notice when you say it, it sounds like you're saying my color favorite instead of my favorite color. That's how it does in Spanish. It's going to go backwards. Okay. Next thing, there's all these Quizlet sets. I don't expect you to remember all 150 words that are listed in these sets, but I want you to find at least 2 words from each set. You'll write them in English and then in Spanish, and these might be things that you like or dislike or that are your favorite, so that you'll have a number of things to be able to talk about with your interests. So for instance, you don't like to run. So maybe for exercise, you're going to put to run, and over here you'll put correr, and then when somebody asks you, ¿qué no te gusta?, you'll say, no me gusta correr. Yeah? So everybody will have different words here, and then I want you to practice answering these questions. ¿Qué te gusta? Me gusta pizza. ¿Qué no te gusta? No me gusta. I don't know. That's always a hard one for me, what I don't like. So you can look through the list, try to come up with something. Sometimes there's a good food that I don't like. Okay, so go through all of these, and then if you get stuck, if you have questions, ask me. And as always, work through these questions with a partner. Practice them. Okay.